Pop out. Did you make this?
Well, I didn't talk too much in this video, but I did build this B18C JDM ITR. This is a 98 spec block, I think. And yeah, you know, B18C. Full rotating assembly. Everything's real nice on this engine, to be honest. Like, able to crank it no problem. Oh yeah. I think I spent like close to about 5 hours building this engine, taking apart the engine that I got all these parts from, plus cleaning, making sure everything was right, then putting it into this engine. So yeah, 5 hours is not bad. You know, I didn't have to gap any rings or anything because this is 81mm standard size. But it's 4:30 in the morning. I kind of stayed up, you know, during the night, and I was like, you know what, let me just build this engine, because why not? Been jamming out to some music and stuff, and bam, got myself a B18C now. I have this head that I was working on as well. I probably put those clips of me working on this head.
You're so much to us. A strong defender, a good healer, a smart strategist, and a great leader. What are we supposed to do now, Lorenzo? We need you. Volunteer soldiers, huh?
Yeah. You can stop there. I don't know what you're going to say. Our goal for now is to earn enough money that we can buy official badges and become full-fledged volunteer soldiers. Except that somehow it feels like that doesn't really matter. What is it?
I just got it.
What? Are you kidding me?
Michelle, I think about it. We didn't say anything to her either. Maybe she wasn't sure how we would react, so she was waiting for us to say hi first. And then we didn't. That's possible.
Why do we have to walk on eggshells now? Can't you just suck it up?
Right there, Ronta, that's it. In case you were wondering, that's the reason.
Before he died, Lorenzo said he was counting on me. I've been thinking about it. I'm pretty sure what he meant. That I have to take his place. I think he wants me to become the party's new leader. Oh, yeah. You can do it. Sorry, but you're wrong. I can't. I'm not you. I don't know how to do this. Stop doubting yourself, Juanito, and just always being more cautious than you are. Because you have to help us. It makes sense. Without helmet, it blows the head of the killer. The classes fight differently. As a thief, I usually attack from behind. Moses doesn't have that option, though. Can't believe. Hey, everyone, listen. I'm gonna go see Shinohara. I want to ask him something. If you don't mind, I'd like you all to come too. Okay?
You want to know about who? Mary?
Yeah. I noticed you were talking to her yesterday.
I was. What did you want to know?
Maybe stuff about her past, or anything, really. We'd like to get
Just putting valve seals in. And yeah, this head has dual valve springs, flat valves. His has been hot tanked, decked, so it's pretty fresh, very fresh, and it's ready for this engine. All I gotta do now is order some head studs. I have a gasket already and a timing belt and stuff like that, and it's gonna be ready for this block. I've been waiting for this engine for so long, to be honest. I wanna install this soon, but I do want to shave my engine bay and like clean it up a little bit more. Hard to say exactly what my plans are gonna be, you know, because time and money. It's always time and money. But I mean, hey, I got a JDM ITR long block, and I can't wait to run this thing. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched, you know, to this point of me yapping, you know, I guess I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace. Later.